Hey guys, it's Advait and we're back, and I'm going to be teaching you about arithmetic and Boolean expressions. My name is Advait from grade 10G. So firstly, before we come to arithmetic and Boolean, what are expressions in the first place? Expressions are a group of operators that act on a set of operands. So they are made up of different types of components and parts, which can be used in expression as operators, constants, literals, and variables. There are two types of expressions. The first is arithmetic and the second is Boolean. So what are arithmetic expressions? They are a certain type of expression that result in a numeric value or an arithmetic value, thus called as an arithmetic expression. They consist of constants, literals, arithmetic operators, and mathematical functions, which we will learn in later classes. They are classified into two types. The first type is pure expression, which means that all expressions and operands are of the same data type. And the second type is mixed expression, where all operands are of different data types. Here are some examples of arithmetic expressions. So firstly, we look into the pure arithmetic expression examples. So let's take int a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3. So int d is equal to a plus b upon c. It's a pure expression because all the operands are of the integer data type. So it's pure since all three of the variables used in this circumstance is the same data type, thus called pure. Next up, mixed arithmetic expressions. Whereas int a is equal to 5, float b is equal to 3.14, and double c is just kept over there and initialized. C is equal to a plus b. So since all the data types in this value are of different types, such as integer, float, and double, they're called as mixed, not pure. Next up, Boolean expressions. A Boolean expression is when the output results in a Boolean, and it is also called as a logical expression. A Boolean expression is formed only with variables, constants, literals, and relational operators. They are of two types. This first type over here is called as a simple logical expression, only with the four following operators. But then the complex logical expression is formed with more than one simple logical expression linked with logical operators. So examples, firstly, there's the simple logical expression. A is smaller than equal to B. This is simple because it's not interlinked by any logical operator such as and or. It's just a simple logical expression relational operator. C is equal to D, same, likewise. Equals to, which is a relational operator. No logical operator whatsoever. So it's simple logical expressions. Complex logical expressions, where we use A is greater than B, and C is smaller than equal to D, and we use an OR operator. So we have three logical operators here, two AND operators and one OR operator. So this is a complex logical operator. Finally, we look into the difference between arithmetic expressions and logical expressions. Arithmetic expressions, as we learned before, are formed only using arithmetic operators, while Boolean expressions can be formed using all three operators, such as relational operators, arithmetic operators, and logical operators in the circumstance of a complex logical expression. In arithmetic expressions, the output always results in a numeric value or an arithmetic value, while in a Boolean expression, it results in a Boolean value such as true or false. So that's about it for today's class, Arithmetic and Boolean Expressions. I hope you've understood everything. If you have any doubts, feel free to send a mail to the email below in the description, and I'll surely answer it. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the class.